Welcome to St Regis Macau, a 5-star hotel located inside the Londoner Hotel on the Cotai Strip. From the moment we entered the St Regis, we were wowed by the stunning flooring and decor before we arrived at the beautiful reception area. Everything felt grand and spotlessly clean. The helpful staff and butlers directed us to our room on the 27th floor, which was huge, modern, and very well appointed. Our giant bed was extremely comfy, and the sitting area section had this incredible view of the Eiffel Tower across the street outside of the Parisian hotel. Macau's Eiffel Tower, which is a 50% scale of the real thing, even sparkles at night and lights up in different colors. It's incredible. Our room also came with a coffee machine and tea-making facilities, as well as a mini bar. The huge wardrobe area had loads of room for hanging clothes, as well as gowns and slippers. Bathroom was also super impressive, with separate toilet and shower rooms, as well as a double sink and bathtub. We also loved the products on offer from some well-known brands, including all the soaps and other handy beauty items that really mean you don't need to bring anything when you're staying at the St. Regis. The pool area was a highlight for us, and we had this epic view of Big Ben from the Londoner Hotel. There are 2 huge swimming pools, as well as 2 large jacuzzis, and all 4 pools are heated at different temperatures. The service at the pool area was also really welcoming, with the staff doing a great job of making sure you've got everything you need. We enjoyed chilling by the pool after a day exploring and checking out many casinos. The hotel also has the St. Regis bar, while it's literally next door to the Londoner Casino, food court, restaurants, and shops. You can walk across the overhead bridge straight to both the Parisian and Venetian, so we'd say this is a top-tier location for your time in Macau. Overall, we can't really recommend the St. Regis Macau more. We paid around $250 per night for our room, and were impressed with everything. The room was exceptional, the pool area was brilliant, and the service was impeccable. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. If you're also visiting Hong Kong, check out some of our other videos on hotels we've stayed in.